la.
No!
It is delicious.
Make this one smaller. This is way too big. Does it taste yummy?
Yeah. Hi friends, today I'm going to share a really easy and yummy cookie recipe. We need a bowl, mixing spoon, 4 measuring cup chocolate chips, banana, baking powder, salt, almond flour, baking sheet, parchment paper. Let's get started. Half a teaspoon of baking powder. Put it in. We need a mixing spoon. Mix it up. We need chocolate chip cookies. They look like beads. Start to preheat the oven. Please ask an adult to help.
Is it tasty?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Take a spoon and put these cookies in a
Baking sheet. Try to make it more rounded. To look like a cookie. And don't make it too flat, because it might burn. No! You're eating raw cookie?
It is delicious.
So we should not bake it?
We should bake it.
Can you make this one smaller? This is way too big. Look at this one, it's way too big.
Some out.
Uh-huh. These are like giant cookies.
To bake. I'm gonna make one small for my sister. Another one. And a German's one.
That's a huge one.
Put some here. Now we're done. Put these in the oven. Ooh la la. Now we need to bake it for 20 minutes. This is what we got.
Does it taste yummy?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Uh-huh.